And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 5 parts inside of the box. But here's a twist. The box has 2 lids and they move. You can't just remove the lids. They are attached to the box. All what you can do is to rotate them almost like 360 degrees. This is a push-pull puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Theo Geerinck and Symen Hovinga and made by Puzzle Guy. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. If you like the push-pull puzzle and you want to try to figure out the solution by yourself, you can buy it at puzzlemaster.ca. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. So first of all, open the entrance. Now we will put this piece inside, the L-shaped piece. It goes inside to the left. Then we have to grab this T-shaped piece, put it inside and put it to the right. Then this piece goes inside. Here you have to try to fit the part right in this opening in the middle, but it can be a little bit tricky since you have to probably rotate the piece like that and then rotate it again and drop it inside. Now we have 2 parts left, so you put them together, you create this kind of a U shape. Next, you have to put them right here on top of the lid, flip the lid like that, and the puzzle is solved. If you like the push-pull puzzle and you want to try some other awesome puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.